Have you ever wondered what a robot is? Well, buckle up. We are about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of robots. A robot is kind of like a computer, but it's one that can move around, interact with its surroundings, and sometimes even think for itself. Imagine your favorite toy car. Now, what if that toy car could drive around all by itself, avoid bumping into things, and even pick up your toys? That's a bit what a robot is like. But how does a robot do all these things, you ask? Robots have special parts called sensors. These sensors help robots understand the world around them. They can tell if something is hot or cold, light or dark, near or far. Robots use these sensors just like you use your senses to understand the world around you. Robots also have something similar to a brain. It's called a computer. This computer tells the robot what to do and how to do it. It's like when your parents or teachers give you instructions. The computer gives instructions to the robot. And the cool thing is, robots can do tasks that might be dangerous or boring for humans. They can explore deep oceans, travel to faraway planets, or even just vacuum your living room. Now, not all robots look like the ones you see in movies. Some robots are big and some are small. Some robots look like humans, others look like animals, and some don't look like anything you've seen before. But no matter what they look like, all robots have one thing in common. They're designed to help make our lives easier and more interesting. So, to sum up, what is a robot? A robot is a machine that can move around, interact with its surroundings, and follow instructions from a computer. Robots use sensors to understand the world and can do tasks that are hard, dangerous, or just plain boring for humans. They come in all shapes and sizes, but they all exist to help us in our everyday lives. Isn't that fascinating? The world of robots is full of wonders and surprises. Who knows what amazing robots we'll see in the future? But for now, the next time you see a robot, you'll know exactly what it is and how